Hey, this will be a video chart on AGRT. Before I get started, I would like to note that I do own shares in this. I picked some up today, so keep that in mind. It'll probably have a little bit of a biased tone to it, but I do own shares and I will be looking to sell them for a profit. And also, this is a 60-minute chart. I wanted to do this time frame because I think it does the best job of kind of showing what's been going on. But first, this green line you see here is from the video that I did a couple days ago. If you go back and look through my videos, you'll see the one that I did. I believe it was on the 13th, and I talked about just the risk versus reward opportunity and how I might be watching it and so forth. And I was watching it, and it came right down here and dropped slightly below 12 cents. I picked up some shares at 12, just because, like I said, if I'm not going to explain it right now, but if you go back and watch that video from the 13th, I believe, I'll explain my whole rationale there and why I picked up shares. But I did get some at 12, and now looking forward, hopefully Monday and early next week, what happened in this last hour, which we can see right here, continues. So with that being said, like I just pointed out, the final hour showed some nice price action. Finally broke out of this little tight channel that it had been in for basically the whole day here, and had started to show some signs of life. So going forward, really the key thing right now is it going to be able to keep this up and break through resistance levels? The first level of resistance that kind of sticks out to me is going to be right here around the 17-cent level. If we take it from there and kind of draw this across, and this isn't exact, you could call it 17, 18, somewhere right around there. I'm just going to call it 17, but 17 is going to be the first kind of hurdle that I'll be monitoring, and hopefully the chart will be able to, or the price will be able to break above it. But with a break of 17, then things really thin out quite a bit, and really from the technical perspective, the next resistance isn't until right up around here, which is above 20 cents. So this will be the next level of resistance for the chart, and we'll just call that right up here at 21.5 cents, 22 cents, whatever you feel most comfortable with. But these are going to be the two key levels of resistance. I'm not going to go any further than that because one step at a time. But if these prices, or if the price can break through these levels, not only is that obviously going to be a good thing, but from a strength perspective of how strong is this bounce? Because right now that's the key question. Sure, it started a bounce, but is this bounce going to gain any steam? And if it does, how strong will the bounce be? And a good measuring level will be these two levels. If the price obviously comes up here and gets rejected, well, obviously this bounce just didn't have much steam behind it to begin with. But if the price comes up here and just starts crushing through these levels, then the price and bounce has some good momentum and steam behind it. So that's what I'll be watching going forward, and hopefully we'll see what happens. But nice to see that it came down here, tested that support, and now is showing some signs of life. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, if you leave your comments below, let me know what you're thinking and what you think is going to occur with the chart next week. And I'm interested to just hear your thoughts. One more time, this was AGRT. Thanks for listening.